Kung naghahanap ka ng quality but versatile na ATV, ang Linhai M170 ang para sa'yo. Kilalang brand for farming, construction, and even in patrol. At UCM lang exclusive distributor niya dito sa Pilipinas. It comes with different colors. Naka-single cylinder and 4-stroke engine, classic grills with Linhai logo, projector lights, mas concentrated ang liwanag at hindi kalat-kalat. Of course, may high and low beam na rin. Turn signal lights. Hindi lang design niya na ginagamit yan. Off-road tires, naka 21/710 sa harap at 22/1010 sa likod. Parehas naka-hydraulic disc brakes na rin yan. Suspension, naka dual A-arm sa harap para suwabe ang handling at ride. Naka-digital panel para malinaw ang detalye. Di tulad yung nag-go sa'yo, labo, di ba? Parehas handbrakes, may parking lock, at electric starting. And of course, thumb throttle para safe. May more or less 100 kilograms sa loading capacity. At syempre, may 8.35 liters na fuel tank. Shifting gear, forward, neutral, reverse. Nakaangat na, parang di ka nayuyuko. At yan ang Linhai M170. Message or visit us for more details. At ikaw, anong UCM unit ang gusto mo?